Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 3 over 4 divided by 4 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Here simply we can apply KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, so we can write 3 over 4. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction 3 over 4. And 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 equals 3 times 3 gives us 9 over 4 times 4 equals 16. So our final answer to this problem is just 9 over 16.